Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we shall write a Python program to find sum of the digits of a given number by using while loop. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video link with your friends and family members, share the video links in various social networks which you are going to use. Happy learning, gain the knowledge and rule the world. I will open the Python interpreter by clicking on the start and opening an application of Python, that one Python interpreter. As you know the procedure to open the Python interpreter, and you also know how to create a new file, that is the shortcut key Ctrl+N. So I just readjust the size of the file. The program which we write in this file, this method is called as a script mode. So here I will write a program to find the sum of the digits of a given number. For example, if the number given is 3, 2, 4, that means 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4 will be 9. To find the sum of the digits of a given number. So first I will write the program name as a comment hash python program to find the sum of the digits of a given number. Python program to find sum of the digits of a given number. So first I will read the value of n by writing n space equal to space int, open the bracket, by writing the input statement, input, open the bracket, within a single quotes, enter the number, space single quotes close, bracket close, this is for input function, again bracket close, this is for the purpose of converting a string to an integer. Then press enter. So here I will be taking two variables, one sum, and I will be initializing the value as 0. So for that purpose I have written sum equal to 0. So this variable we take for the purpose of storing the sum of the digits of a given number. Then I will be taking the variable num and I initialize the value with n. It is used for the purpose of displaying the output. Then after this we will be writing the while loop. We will write while space. So while should be written in lowercase, space, then afterwards the condition. The condition is n greater than 0 colon. Press enter. You can observe the indentation space. Now you are inside the while loop. So here first we will calculate the digit space equal to n space mod 10. That means it will calculate the remainder. So that remainder I am assigning to a variable called dig, that is a digit. Press enter. Next sum space equal to sum plus that dig, that is calculating the sum. Right. Then by writing n equal to, you have to calculate n by 10, whereas this one will be in terms of float. For that purpose you have to write this one in a bracket, and before that you need to write int. That means you need to write n equal to int within a bracket n by 10. That means it will calculate n by 10 and that will be converted to integer and it is assigned to the variable n. Then afterwards press enter. So these process will be repeated. Once the condition becomes false, it has to come out of the loop. After coming out of the loop, you need to print the output. For that purpose, you need to start with the first position in the next line. That means what? Press the backspace. Now you are outside the loop. Now you write print, open bracket, within a single quotes, sum of digits of given number single quotes close num, because we have assigned that one to num. If you write n, it will be an 0. Okay, single quotes close, comma, num, then comma, within a single quotes equal to, single quotes close, comma, sum, close the bracket. Print within a single quote sum of digits of given number, comma, num, within a single quotes equal to, comma, sum. Okay, now save the program by using the shortcut key Ctrl S. So here I will write as digits sum, that means sum of the digits. Right, you can give any name, then either press the enter key or click on save button. The program has been saved. Now run the program. To run the program, the shortcut key is F5. So it has the number, so I'll give as 4, 2, 6. That means what? 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. Press enter. So you got the answer as 12. To get another output, close this interpreter. Okay, now you will be in the script mode. Press F5. So now I'll give the number as 2, 3, 8, 1. So 2 plus 3 will be 5, 5 plus 8 will be 13, 13 plus 1 will be 14. So the answer is 14. So how we get this particular output? So that I will explain you here in the script mode by just writing. This is whatever next I am going to write, that is only for the purpose of explanation. That should not be written in the program. Okay. So now I will show how we get that particular output. So here we have entered the value as 2381. That means n value will be equal to 2381, because here the value which we have read, that is converted to integer and that is assigned to n. Therefore n value will be equal to 2381, which I have given as an input. Then have written the statement sum equal to 0 and num equal to n. So those things I will write once again. Then afterwards press enter. Now I have considered the loop, so that I will write as it is. I will copy that one and I will paste that one for the purpose of explanation. So here n. So what is the value of n? It is 2381. Greater than 0, s condition becomes true. Dig is equal to n mod 10. That means 2381 mod 10. That means what? This value will be equal to what? 2381 divided by 10, and the remainder is 1. Next, sum equal to sum plus dig. The sum value is 0. You can see here this one, and dig value is just you have calculated, and that value is 1. That means what? 0 plus 1 will be equal to 1. Next we have written n is equal to int n by 10. So 2381 divided by 10 will be 238.1. So out of that only integer part. So only integer part in the sense 2381 divided by 10. So only integer part, this will be equal to 238. Right. After that 0.1 will be truncated. Okay. So now after this the sum value is what? 1. Okay. And what is the n value? N value is now 238. Next, again I will repeat this loop. While n is greater than 0. What is the value of n now? 238. So this one, 238 greater than 0, condition becomes true. Dig equal to n mod 10. So 238 mod 10 will be equal to what? So 238 mod 10, remainder is 8. Right. So that is the remainder, 23 point. Right. You will get, if you divide this one by 10, it will be 230, and the remainder will be 8. For that purpose the remainder is 8. Next, sum equal to sum plus digit. So what is the value of sum before this one? Here 1 plus digit. So digit value just we are calculated now, that is 8. So 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Next, n is equal to n mod 10. So 2, 3, 8, not mod 10, it is divided by 10. 2, 3, 8 divided by 10 will be equal to 23.8. So in that one integer part, that means only 23. That means the n value will be 23. So now the n value is 23. And what is the sum value? Sum value is 9. So here I will write sum value as 9 and num value as 23. So again I will consider the loop while n greater than 0. So n value is 23 greater than 0. Now dig is equal to n mod 10. So 23 mod 10. So 23 divided by 10. So remainder will be equal to what? 3. So here dig value will be equal to 3. Then sum equal to sum plus dig. What is the value of sum? It is 9. So 9 plus dig, that is a digit. Digit is 3. So 9 plus 3, that is 12. Then next, n equal to int n by 10. So n value is what? 23. So 23 divided by 10, it will be 2.3. That means only integer part, that will be equal to 2. That means after this execution, the value of n will be 2 and sum is 12. And sum is 12. Okay. So again, we'll be considering the another one time the loop. So now n value is 2. 2 is greater than 0, as condition becomes 2. Then now here dig. So what is an dig? Equal to n by 10. What is the value of n? 2. 2 divided by 10, that is 2 mod 10. 2 mod 10, the remainder is what? 2. 2 divided by 10, that is 2 zeros, 10 zeros are 0, the remainder is 2. Next, sum is equal to sum plus dig. What is the value of sum? We have calculated previously, it is what? 12. So 12 plus the digit which you have got is 2. 10 plus 2 will be equal to, 12 plus 2 will be equal to 14. Next, n equal to int of n by 10, that is n value is now 2. Right, so n value is 2, this one, divided by 10. So it will be equal to 0.2. That means what? Integer part, only 0. Now after the execution of this one, what is the value of n? So n value is now 0. And what is the value of sum? It is 14. It is 14. So again it comes to the while loop. Again it checks while n greater than 0. What is the value of n? 0. 0 greater than 0, condition becomes false. That means these statements are not executed which are inside the loop. It comes outside the loop and it will come here. This one, print statement. So what is that? This one, right? So it will print sum of digits of given number. That means this one, sum of digits of given number. Then afterwards you have written comma num. So num value is n. So what is that? 2381. So that means it displays 2381. Then afterwards you have written comma equal to. So it will display this equal to. Then afterwards comma sum. What is the value of sum? 14. So it displays the value 14. So wherever we have written comma, by that time it will be adding the white space. For more information regarding the print statement, watch the previous video in my YouTube channel with respect to print statement. And more information regarding the input statement, watch the previous video in my YouTube channel with respect to input statement. So this is a program to find the sum of the digits of a given number by using while loop. So this one I will delete. It is I have written for the purpose of explanation. So I'll press Ctrl S for the purpose of saving. Again I run the program by giving a different value, for example 3, 4, 8. So what will be this output? 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 8 will be 15, right? So in this way you need to write a program to find sum of the digits of a given number by using while loop. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.